Make money online with selling AI art using Midjourney in 2023. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will be taking a look at how you can get started with Midjourney and create AI art and be able to monetize that and earn up to $250 per day. So let's get into it. Now, a lot of people feel like Midjourney is so confusing. How do I use it? Is it even, useful? Can I get, money out of it? Well, it is super simple and easy to use Midjourney. Plus, it is very, very, very interesting to use because it will create multiple different images from a reference image. It can create images just from text, and it is a super smart AI. So it is definitely something you can use to generate income, to generate revenue, and it's very simple and very easy, and I will show you guys exactly how to do that. So to get started, all you have to do is head on over to midjourney.com. Once you are on midjourney.com, you can just click on join the beta, and once you click on join the beta, they will send you an invite. You will simply click on accept invite. Now, once you have accepted the invite, this will be the Midjourney Discord server, and all you have to do, I have a very simplified version because a lot of people go into the newbie rooms and they try to create their stuff, but they get all confused. All you have to do is simply go into the newbie room and just make an empty Discord server. You can just click on add a server and click on create my own, skip this question, and I'm just going to name the server Midjourney Tutorial. And what I'm going to do is now I'm going to head on over back to the Midjourney Discord server. You're going to click on the newbies room and you'll be able to see the members of the room. If you're not able to see the members of the room on the right side of your screen, you can simply click on the top right over here where it says show members list. And once you do that, you can click on Midjourney bot. And once you click on Midjourney bot, you're simply going to click on add to server. And then you're going to select the server. I'm going to add this to the Midjourney tutorial server that I just created, and I'm going to continue. Then I'm going to authorize this. Then I'm going to verify that I'm a human. And once you have done that, now I can go over to the Midjourney tutorial server. And now instead of having to, create my art in the newbie server and having, a bunch of different people doing it at the same time and getting confused, I can simply head on over to the Midjourney tutorial server that I created for myself, and now I can generate AI images. So first off, you're just going to type in slash, and then you're going to write imagine, then you're just going to click on this and it will give you a prompt writing section. So for example, let's say I want to create a retro girl with mask. So I've entered this description. All I have to do now is click on enter or return, and now it's sending the command. Now it's going to take a little while to be able to generate this, image, and it takes a couple of seconds, and I will show you guys exactly how it does that. It will show you progress as well, and it's really not that long. Plus, not only can you generate images out of thin air, but you can also customize pre-existing images. And you might be wondering, hey, okay, now I know we can do that, but how do I monetize this? Well, there are a bunch of different ways to monetize this. First off, you can create product. So you can go onto platforms like Redbubble, Printify, and other print-on-demand platforms, and you can sell your designs over there. They have a bunch of different types of products, and you can simply upload your design and get them printed on multiple different products, and people will buy those products. It's a super easy and effective way. Now, this is one of the most common things. You might have already thought of that. Another more creative way, and you can see our image has now been generated. So this is a retro style girl standing in front of a ramen shop, and let's say that I want to further customize the first version of the image. If I want to create more variations of the first version of the image because maybe I like this one the most, I'm going to click on V1 and it will create 4 more versions from this version. And if I want to just get a higher quality upscaled image of this one, I can click on U1. So I'm just going to click on V1 because I want 4 more variations of the original of this one over here. Now, in the meanwhile, as I was telling you guys, that Redbubble is one of the most simplest ways that you can sell your designs, but there are other ways you can do that as well. You can offer your services as a logo creator or brand designer on Fiverr. This is a simple and effective way for you to be able to start your business using AI design. People are charging $10, $15, $25 for a simple logo, and you can easily do that using the Midjourney bot. And now you can see I have 4 more versions from this basic image, and I can pick whatever one I want. Now, for designing logos, I'm simply going to do the same thing. I'm going to do /imagine. So I just entered logo for clothing brand and now it will start. Now you can provide a lot more detail and you can even provide reference images and you can even use a certain image. So if you want to do that, you can also do that. Plus you can also sell items like NFTs. Now this is the last use case that I'm going to discuss, which is one of the most underrated ones, which is providing customized images. So you can see this is like a Christmas gift custom royal pet portrait. So this is super easy to create using AI and I will show you guys step by step how to do that. So let's say you're going to offer this service on Etsy or Fiverr where people do like to pay quite a lot of money for customized items. So what they will do is that so you can see our fashion brand logo has been generated. It's being generated. And you can see it looks pretty good. Now you can see this is an image and you might be like, hey, if a person is sending me an image of their pet, how do I convert this into this? Well, it's very simple and I will show you guys exactly how. So I'm just going to search for cat and I'm going to go into images and let's say that I got a client and someone wants, a royal version of their cat and this is their cat. So what I will do is I will save this image, whatever image your client is giving you. I'm just going to save it over here. Then I'm going to go into Discord and I'm going to upload the file. So heading to my downloads. So once this file is uploaded, I'm just going to upload it directly into the chat. That is all I need to do. Now, once I've done that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the image, click on Open Original. And once I've done that, once I have opened this up in a new tab, I'm going to go back to Discord. I'm going to type in the same /imagine. Now I'm going to go back into the new tab of the cat and I will copy the URL address and I will paste it over here as a royal. So once I've entered the URL that I just copied, I just added as a royal portrait of a queen. And now I'm just going to hit enter and I'm waiting for this to start. Now, there can be a few issues depending on how you phrase your text command. You might have to tweak your text a little to make sure that the AI understands what you're trying to get it to do, but it usually does garner some amazing, super realistic images. So I'm just going to wait for a couple of seconds to show you guys exactly how this image turns out. Now you can see our image is being generated. Now you can see there are so many amazing different portraits that they have created using a simple image of a cat, and in this way you can further customize it and tweak it however you like and provide this service on platforms like Etsy or Fiverr. And these go for super expensive. People just really like to make customized things like this, and this is going to simplify your work. It's only going to take you like 10 to 15 minutes at max to even tweak this and customize this and then sell it on further. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.